Amid uncertainties over Punjab DGP VK Bhavra's central deputation, the top cop has now applied for 2 months' leave. Punjab will now officially have a new DGP soon. Bhavra is expected to go on leave from July 5th onwards. The DGP was under pressure owing to number of law and order issues in the state. Earlier, in a communication to the state government, Bhavra had stated that he has given his consent for a central posting. Brother of former MLA Simarjeet Bains, Karamjeet Bains, was arrested in a rape case in which Simarjeet is the main accused. The MLA, including his brother and several others, have already been declared proclaimed offenders in the case. The rape case was registered over a year back. The former MLA had moved Punjab and Haryana High Court, which also rejected his plea to quash the order, declaring him as a proclaimed offender. A 3-year-old Pakistani boy who inadvertently reached the international border in Punjab has been handed over to his family by the BSF, officials said on Saturday. The incident was reported in Firozpur sector at around 7 p.m. on Friday when the Border Security Force troops noticed a child who stood crying near the IB fence. The child was handed over to the Rangers in the presence of his father after a flag meeting with the Pakistani Rangers. Former Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh is likely to merge his party Punjab Lok Congress with the BJP after his return from London, where he is recovering after a spinal surgery. Though there is no word from the party, senior Punjab BJP leader Harjeet Singh Grewal on Saturday claimed that a decision in this connection has been made. Singh had conveyed his intention to merge his party with the BJP prior to his departure to London. The Aam Aadmi Party government has fulfilled one of its promises from today onwards that each household will be getting 300 units of free electricity every month. This initiative is expected to benefit around 60 lakh domestic consumers. There are 73.80 lakh domestic power consumers in the state. Out of them, around 62 lakh consume less than 300 units every month. If the consumption is less than 300 units, fixed charges won't be applicable according to the new scheme.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.